Okay. So once again, very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to start numerical aptitude, right? And my aim is to finish one and two things today, right? That at least two things will be clear to you. So in numerical aptitude, I have shown you in previous class this classification that you are having numerical computation, numerical estimation, and numerical reasoning, and then data interpretation. So I'll be covering these two topics. Okay, the two topics of numerical, or I can say first two topics of numerical computation, which are HCF, LCM, and ratio, right? And particularly ratio, right? So first, I will show you this, a basic idea of this. Then you can solve questions based on HCF and LCM. Then I will show you ratio, proportion, and if time permits, we can move towards time and work as well. Okay, so let us continue. Numerical computation. Okay, great. Sure. Now see over here. In this, first let us begin. What is HCF and LCM? Chalo, who will tell me about this? HCF and LCM. See, to calculate the questions based on HCF and LCM, you should be very much clear with what is HCF, what is LCM, when it is used, and what is it, right? HCF क्या है, LCM क्या है? HCF is your highest common factor. LCM is your least common multiple. Okay. જે ગુજરાતી મીડિયમના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે એ લોકો માટે જે HCF એટલે આપણે ભણેલા ગુ સા રાઈટ અને આ લ સા ઓકે જે તો તમારો ગુરુત્તમ સામાન્ય અવયવ અને લઘુત્તમ સામાન્ય અવયવી ઓકે is it clear now? Highest common factor and least common multiple. So when to use which, when you can use HCF, when you can use LCM. Let us see one two question based on them, right? If I'm asking you what is LCM of 4, 6 and 8, I'm not asking you method. You are knowing method, that how to find LCM, but you're not knowing what is its meaning. Okay, so if I have to find LCM of 4, 6, 8, what is its meaning? LCM is least common multiple. So first I will write all of their multiples. Okay, multiples means what are multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, isn't it? 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, and so on. Are you getting my point? Please give me some response. Multiples of 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, like that, and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, and so on. Okay. Now, their common multiples. Chalo, first highlight their common multiples. Okay. This all are your multiples of 4, this all are your multiples of 6, and this all are your multiples of 8. Now, what are the common multiples of 4, 6, and 8? So, first common multiple is 24 or not? Right, common between all of them. Next common will be 48 or not? Are you getting my point? Right. In the same way, next common will be 72 or not? Okay. And the same way, we are getting so many common multiples, right? And amongst them common multiples, what we have to find? Their least common multiple. Okay. That is minimum common multiple, that is 24. Okay. We are knowing how to find this, right? आपको पता है एलसीएम फाइंड कैसे करना है, वो आप फटाफट फाइंड कर दोगे, ऐसे ये 4 रख दिया, 6 रख दिया, 8 रख दिया, फिर इस तरीके से आप फाइंड कर लोगे, isn't it? Please give me some response. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, again 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, again 2 1 2 1s are 2, right? This 3 as it is, again 3 1s are 3, this 2 1 as it is, so 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. This is their LCM. So you know method, but you are not knowing that what is its interpretation when we have to use. It is clear now? Okay. If I talk about HCF, now see over here. So if I talk about HCF, so for HCF, just you have to find first their common factors, right? So what are common factors of 4, or what are factors of 4? 4 is equal to 2 into 2 or not? 6 is equal to 2 into 3 or not? Right. And 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 or not? Right. Now, what is their common factor? Common factor is 2 amongst all of them. Highest common factor is again 2 over here. Okay. So this will be over here, HCF will be 2. HCF is easy. Right. Generally आप LCM का ही concept भूल जाते हैं. चलो, तो अब ये concept मैंने क्यों बताया, क्योंकि question में आपको ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा students, this is great. In question they won't tell you that find HCF and LCM. They will give you just condition. You have to identify, either you have to find HCF or you have to find LCM. Okay. Now see here. So let me give you one example based on this. Suppose there is one circular round. This is our circle. Okay. Now there are two persons, A and B. Okay. It requires 4 minutes for A to complete one round, and it requires 3 minutes for B to complete one round of this circle. They both are starting their journey towards on this circle only, right? In initially. So the conditions are they are starting their journey together. Now when will they meet again? किसी का वीडियो ऑन है क्या? Okay. So when will they meet again? This is the case. Yes. सागर आपका वीडियो ऑन है शायद. आप वीडियो स्टॉप कर दें. Yes. Okay. So let us analyze this. Okay. वो दोनों वापस कब मिलेंगे? तो ओके, दो स्टूडेंट ने आंसर दे दिया है, भमीन एंड अमन. ओके, गुड. सबसे पहले आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये कौन सी मेथड वाला वीडियो है. वीडियो नहीं, सॉरी, कौन सी मेथड वाला क्वेश्चन है. ओके. सो ए को 4 मिनट्स लग रहे हैं पूरा राउंड लगाने के लिए. सो इफ ए इज स्टार्टिंग हिज जर्नी फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, राइट, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मिनट्स ए विल कम अगेन हियर? 4, 8, 12, 16, all are multiples of 4 or not? Right. And B will come again on multiples of 3 or not? 6, 9, 12, right? And when they are going to meet again, so on their common multiples. Okay. And first we need to find when starting they will meet at their LCM, LCM of 4 and 3. So you all know that LCM of 4 and 3 is 12 or not. Okay, so they are going to meet again at 12, 24, 36, etc. Okay, so they are going to meet again at 12, 24, 36 minutes. Is it clear? So this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. This is the backbone of how you can compare your quantities. Okay, so this is how you can analyze your question. Is it clear now? Please give me some response. Right. So HCF and LCM was just to give you brief idea. Right. Now let us start our chapter, that is ratio and proportion. So first I will give you a brief introduction of ratio and proportion. I will give you its few shortcuts, and based on these shortcuts, we are going to see few questions. Okay, or many questions I can say. Okay. So, sorry. Now, what is the meaning of ratio and what is the meaning of proportion? If I am telling that two quantities A and B are in ratio, so this is written as like this: A is to B. If I am telling that two ratios are same, then they are said to be in proportion. A is to B are in proportion with C is to D. Okay, A is to B are in proportion with C is to D. Its meaning is A by B equal to C by D, right? Or you can remember like this as well: A into D will be equal to B into C. Okay, product of extremes is equal to product of internals. Okay, A into D equal to B into C. Sure. Now, which type of questions you can expect over here? See, I'm giving you all the models. First model. Suppose they will give you A is to B, that is 2 is to 3. From this, they will also give you B is to C, that is 4 is to 5. Now they will ask you to find ratio of A is to B is to C. So how you can find this? If it is A is to B and B is to C, how you can find A is to B is to C? Okay. So see here, you can go by normal method, but see shortcut. Just remember these signs: this into this, this into this, and this into this. Is it clear? This into this means this both B are together, right? So this will give me A, this will give me B, and this will give me C. Okay. No. See, I'm giving you shortcut. See over here. Just you need to multiply. What is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. This is your answer. 8 2s are 12, 2s are 15. This is your answer. Right? You can check by your conventional method. I already told you that for gate you need to be fast, you need to be strong. So you should require shortcuts, right? And those shortcuts should be accurate and precise. Is it clear or not? Please give me some response. A is to B is to C, clear? Okay. Just you need to remember these three symbols. That's it. This. B should be together for B. That's it. Okay. Now, one more thing is there. Right. This is your model 1. Let me give you model 2. In model 2, they will give you A is to B, B is to C, and C is to D. A is to B, B is to C, C is to D. And they will ask you A is to B is to C is to D. Okay. Here, suppose they are giving us A is to B as 1 is to 2. This is your 3 is to 4. This is your 5 is to 6. Now, based on this, I have to find this. Right. So here also just remember these shortcuts. First, multiply this, then multiply this in this order, then multiply this in this order, and this. Right. Are you getting my point? Are you getting your symbol? Okay. So this is like this and this is like this. Okay. So definitely your first multiplication in this manner, this will give you A. 5 3s are 15 into 1, 15. Right. In this multiplication, B into C, what is major? B. right? B is 2 times, C is 1 time. So this is going to give you B. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now let us take this. Here C is maximum time. So this will give you C. 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. Now this will give you D. 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48. Okay. So 15 is to 30 is to 40 is to 48. Now can you take anything common from this? Right, because no, because this is 5 3s are 15. Are you getting my point? This is clear or not? Okay. Just you have to remember these symbols. So if this is clear, then we can move towards questions. Okay. Now let me give you one question. So today our first question is, if A is to B is 8 is to 15, B is to C is 5 is to 8, and C is to D is 4 is to 5. Okay. And they are asking you in question, find A is to D. Okay. One of the student is telling me to repeat. I'll repeat this. See over here. Okay. Exactly 2. That's why I was asking. Okay. So 2 students are requesting for repetition. See over here. See, when they will give you, this is your model 1, this is your model 2. I will repeat all these models, both models. So in first model, they will give you A is to B and B is to C. From that, they will ask you A is to B is to C. So just you need to remember this signs. This will give you A, right? 4 2s are 8. This will give you B into B, that is 4 3s are 12. This will give you this, that is C, 5 3s are 15. So just आपको ये याद रखना है. Zoom out. Is it not clearly visible? Should I zoom out the screen? If I zoom out, this will be like this. Is it okay now? Okay. Okay. So see here. Where were we? Yes. So this symbol into this symbol into this symbol, right? So this will give you 4 2s are 8. This is 4 3s are 12, and this is 5 3s are 15. Okay. In the same way here, so for A is to B, when they will give you A is to B is to C, and C is to D, and they will ask you ratio of all of them, A is to B is to C is to D. So first, just find this, right? This is your first symbol for A, that is 3 1s are 3 into 5 15. Second symbol is this, it is for B, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Right. Third symbol is this, right? That means you have to multiply this. This will give you C, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. And this will give you D. 6 4s are 24, 24 2s are 48. Is it clear or not? Please give me some response. 15 is to 30 is to 40 is to 48. Right. Is it clear now? Shall we see this question now? Students, जितने लोगों ने repeat के लिए बोला था? Okay. So now we need to find this A is to D. Okay. See over here. So same thing, right? Which symbols we need to remember? Now we want only A and D, right? So no need to find for B and C. For A, just multiply this, and for D, just multiply this. Okay. We need only A and D, na? Right? So A is to D will be 8 into 5 into 4. Now see over here. Don't multiply first. 8 into 5 into 4 is to 15 into 8 into 5. 15 into 8 into 5. So this 8 into 5 will get directly cancelled or not? This will be 4 is to 15. Is it clear? Right. So A is to D. Directly 4 is to 15. Okay. So great. Okay. Let me give you one more question. Just wait for a while. I need to upload, open this. Uh, okay. So let me give you this question. See over here. Question number 4. This video for just this question. In this question, they are telling that seats for maths, physics, and biology in a school are in the ratio 5:7:8. Okay, maths is to physics is to biology. Next, there is a proposal to increase these seats by 40%, 50%, and 75% respectively. Okay, what will be the ratio of increased seats? So if they will increase these seats, what will be their ratio? Now see over here. So first understand this percentage, right? If I am writing 10% of x, its meaning is 10 by 100 into x, isn't it? Now if I am writing 10% increase of x, so this will give you x plus 10x by 100 or not? Okay, so this will give you x plus 10x by 100. So it is 100 plus 10, 110x divided by 100. Okay, so this is your 10% increase of x. Is it clear or not? Please give me some response. These two difference is clear. This is only 10% and this is we are going to increase 10%. Okay, so here, right, earlier ratio for maths, physics and bio was, see over here. Earlier ratio was maths, physics and bio. Earlier ratio for maths, physics and bio was 5:7:8. Okay, repeat once. See over here. So I'm repeating this. See, 10% of x is 10 by 100 into x or not? Okay. Now 10% increase of x. Increase means we have to increase x by 10%, right? So x is originally this, increase means plus, and we have to increase 10%. So it is 10x by 100. So x plus 10x by 100. So x plus 10x by 100. 100 into x is 100. 100 plus 10 is 110x by 100. So 10% increase of x is 110x by 100. Is it clear now? Okay. Now in this question, what they are telling? They are telling that their ratio of the seats are going to increase by 40, 50 and 75. Okay. So for maths, their new ratio, if I'm taking their new ratio, so it will be 5 and it is going to increase by 40%. So 140 by 100 or not? 7 is going to be increased by 50%. So 150 by 100 or not? Okay. And this will be 8 into 175 by 100 or not? Please give me some response. Okay. Is it clear now? Right. So now just we have to simplify. Okay. Here it will be ratio. Sorry, my mistake, not equal to. Right. So let us simplify. So we can see over here 100 is common or not? I think 5 will be common to each and everything. 5 3s are 15. 0. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Now 7 also is common. 7 2s are 14. and 7 5s are 35. Right. So now 20, 30, and 5. Again, 5 is common. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 4s are 20. 2 is common. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So our final answer is 2 is to 3 is to 4. Is it clear now? यहाँ पे जो हमने कैंसिल किया उसमें पता चला स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? आप सिर्फ अभी तक दो, मतलब अगर दो रेशियो आपको दिए गए ए इज टू बी या बी इज टू सी, तो उसका आपको कैंसिल करना आता है, राइट? जब आपको तीन रेशियो दिए जाएंगे, जैसे ए इज टू बी इज टू सी, जैसे यहाँ पे एम इज टू पी इज टू बी है, तो आपको तीनों में से कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा, राइट? जैसे आप दो में सारी चीजें कॉमन, दो में अगर आप 5 का मल्टीपल कैंसिल कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे वही सारी चीज आपको तीनों के लिए कैंसिल करनी पड़ेगी. Is it clear now? Please give me some response. Is it clear? Okay, great. Now let me give you one more question. Right. No one wants repetition, right? Just take care in cancellation, right? Practice this cancellation 2-3 times. Okay. And if you are facing any difficulty, watch this recording. Now, next question. Rupees 510 be divided amongst A, B, and C. See over here. Rupees 510 is divided amongst A, B, and C in such a way that A gets 2 by 3 of what B gets, right? A gets 2 by 3 of what B gets, and B gets 1 by 4 of what C gets, and yes, then their shares, find their shares, right? In the options they are going to give you their shares respectively. So see over here. So if rupees 510 are being divided into A, B, and C, such that A gets 2 by 3 of what B gets, B gets 1 by 4 of what C gets, then find their shares. So see over here. So definitely you have to divide 510 in this. From first condition, A by B equal to 2 by 3 or not. So here your A is to B is 2 is to 3. From second condition, B by C is 1 by 4 or not. So your B is to C is 1 is to 4, isn't it? Please give me some response. So this is your A is to B and this is your B is to C. Now I want to find all their ratio. So all their shares. So first I need to find the ratio. A is to B is to C. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So this is your A is to B is to C. Now I have to find all the ratios. Now see over here. What is your conventional method? आप यहाँ पे assume कर लेते थे 2x, 3x, 12x और फिर उसको equate करके 510 करके x निकालते थे, फिर वो सारी चीजें करते थे. Okay. Now see, अब आप बड़े हो गए हो, अब कैसे करना है, right? तो अगर a का शेयर आपको निकालना है, तो a का शेयर है 2 out of what is total? Total is your 12 plus 3 15 plus 2 17. So 2 by 17 of 510. Are you getting my point? Your B share is 3 by 17 of 510. Okay, and your C share is 12 by 17 of 510. Are you getting my point? Okay, so here also you need to save your time. वो XX वाला करके टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है, क्या डायरेक्ट नहीं हो जाएगा, समझो, राइट? 17 3s are 51, राइट? 2 ये आपका हो जाएगा 60, राइट? अब सेम ये वापस नहीं करना है, वो सेम ही आएगा. दिस इज योर 90 और नॉट, राइट? And this is your 360 or not? Okay, so 60, 90 and 360. Is it clear? Please give me some response. Shortcut पता चल रहा है, सारी चीजें हम शॉर्टकट से कर रहे हैं. Okay, कोई x लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट 2 by 17. 17 कहां से आया स्टूडेंट्स? Right, just 2 plus 3 plus 12. Okay. Great. Now see. Let us see one more question. चलो, an amount of rupees 2350, right here your amount is 2430, sorry 2430, is divided amongst A, B and C, is divided amongst A, B and C, says that if their shares be reduced by rupees 5, 10 and 15, right, now if their shares are reduced by 5, 10 and 15, the remaining shares will be in the ratio of 3:4:5, right? So these are in your ratio 3:4:5. Then what was B's original share? You have to find B's share. Okay, now see. So these are also your important questions. और जब आपको ऐसा दिया जाता है कि भाई ये डिवाइड करके ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, तो वहां में आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, और या करेंगे भी तो भी बहुत लॉन्ग मेथड होती है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे भी इसका शॉर्टकट समझे, ठीक है? सो ए सी, यहाँ पे ए बी और सी आपके रेशियो में नहीं है, A-5, B-10 और C-15 रेशियो में है। okay. So समझो, so here let us assume capital A-5 is small a, capital B-10 is small b, and capital C-15 is small c. So A is to B is to C are in the ratio 3:4:5. okay. अब मैंने आपको ऊपर ही बताया, यहाँ से आप ए डायरेक्ट फाइंड कर सकते हो, 3/5 + 4 9 + 3 12, 3/12 of total, B is equal to 4/12 of total, right, and your C is equal to 5/12 of total. Are you getting my point, right? So ये आपका हो जाएगा 5/12 of total. Now अब आपको यहाँ पे एक चीज ध्यान देनी है स्टूडेंट्स, कि अब यहाँ पे टोटल अमाउंट कौन सा लेंगे? क्या टोटल अमाउंट में 2430 ही लूंगा? 2430 तो आपका कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल बी और कैपिटल सी में डिवाइड हो रहा है। स्मॉल ए, स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल सी आप तब ले रहे हैं जब उन सब में से आप 5, 10 और 15 कम कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो टोटल 240 में से आपको 5, 10 और 15 पहले कम करना पड़ेगा। सो -5, -10, -15, that will be your -30 or not? Okay, yes. So 2430 minus 30 is equal to 2400. It is your total of A, B and C, A plus B plus C. Are you getting my point? If I'm not getting, let me show you this, right? From here, if I have to find A plus B plus C, so it is equal to capital A minus 5 plus capital B minus 10 plus capital C minus 15. So it is your capital A plus capital B plus capital C minus 30. Capital A plus capital B plus capital C is 2430 minus 30. So it is equal to your 2400. So A plus B plus C is 2400. Is it clear? Okay. So if I take this as 2400, this is also 2400, this is also 2400. Okay. So 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24. Okay. This is your 600, 800 and 1000. They are asking you B's original shares. B's original share is capital B. The small b is B minus 10. So B minus 10 is 800. Right. Now from here, understand this carefully. If B minus 10 is 800, what is your B? B will be 810 or not? Is it clear? Should I repeat it once again? Please give me some response. Right. I think I should repeat. Repeat करो ना, नया है ना, हो जाएगा? Okay. Okay, great, great, great. Okay. Now see here students, और अगर मुझे इसके आपको और डिफरेंट मॉडल्स दिखाने हैं, सो 1 2 3 4, ओके, और 4 क्वेश्चन है इसके नए मॉडल के, ठीक है? तो वो मैं आपको कल दिखाऊंगा, और उसके बाद पार्टनरशिप के कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो कल हमारी लास्ट क्लास होगी, राइट, संडे। उसके बाद फिर आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। तो कल ऐसा करेंगे, 40 मिनट क्लास में खत्म कर देंगे, और नेक्स्ट 40 मिनट क्लास में हम जनरल डिस्कशन रखेंगे, ठीक है, कि आगे आप कैसे प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं और वो सारी चीजें। ओके, मतलब वो 20-20 पे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। और संडे है तो कितने बजे टाइमिंग रखना है, क्योंकि जनरली सब आराम से सो के उठते हैं, तो 11 to 12 रख दें। ओके, 11 to 12, फिर वो 12:20 हो जाएगा। ओके, सो 11 AM to 12 PM आई गेस। ओके, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? ओके, तो ये रखते हैं। आई होप मजा आ रहा है आपको गेट पढ़ने में, सारी चीजें डेवलप हो रही हैं। ओके ओके ओके, चलो तो फिर बेस्ट ऑफ लक स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ ग्रेट डे। कल मिलते हैं, ठीक है? ग्रुप में एक बार टाइम कोई डाल देगा, नहीं तो मैं डाल दूंगा, टाइम मैं डाल दूंगा। ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन। एचसीएफ वाला आप कहीं भी देख लो, ठीक है? अगर नहीं मिले तो बता ना, कहीं भी मिल जाएंगे आपको। एप्टीट्यूड के क्वेश्चन तो बहुत सारी जगह पर मिल जाएंगे। ओके ओके।